back to my channel. My name's Katie. How are you today? I hope you're doing well. Well, today I am going to show you how I created this particular look, and if you would like to see how this was created, then please keep on watching. Okay, so as you can see already, I have done one eye, so I'm just going to do this eye, and also obviously I've done my base and my eyebrows and everything. I just wanted to say, at the moment on my lips, I have got the Sexy Mother Plucker Extreme Plump. Pumping up the old lippies. So while that's getting to work, let's start on the other eye. So to begin with, I am using the Sophie X palette from Revolution. And I have actually ordered the new one, so I cannot wait for that to come through. In fact, I've ordered Tammy's, Carmi's and Sophie's, or Soph's palettes. So they should be coming through anytime soon, fingers crossed. To start off, we are going to go in with peaches, just there, just some peaches.
Moving to the country, I'm gonna eat a lot of peaches. Remember that song?
Right, so we're going to just go in there with a nice brush. This is my e.l.f. Blending brush. Now, I know it's for blending, but I quite like it for popping in my transition shades to begin with. So I'm literally just going to go into the crease, and we are just going to pop in that peaches a bit. Just pop that in. As you can see, we're getting there. So I hope everyone's coping all right in the weather, although it seems to have calmed down a little bit now, hence why I've not done any kind of like makeup tutorials. Plus I've been away, so, and it was a bit impossible to do it on the campsite. As soon as you put something on your face, it melted off anyway. So we've now got that transition shade all nicely in and blended. Let's have a look. Nice. I like. So next we are going to go in with, now I know you're probably thinking, why have you done it this way round? You know me. Sometimes I like to do a little things out of the box. So I'm going to go in with iced coffee just over the top there, just to kind of calm everything down. If you've gone over it a little bit too much, you know, and you want to have just a nice blend, you can pop this just over the top like so, just to calm it down just that tiny little bit. So in we go with that. So next I am going to go in with, and this is my see, I like to do things a little bit ski-whiff. This is the crease brush, but we're not going to use it in the crease. I'm going to use it in the corner of my eye. And we are going to go in with Mud Cake, which is this one just here. And I'll pop a little bit on my brush, and then we're just going to dot that just along there like so. And then I am going to actually change my brush, and this brush is by Makeup Gallery, and that is from the Pound Shop, and it's like a double-ended brush. So you've got like one end for doing like smoke, and then you've got this one here. And this is actually I was looking at Kylie Jenner's, some videos of Kylie Jenner's brushes that she brought out that were quite expensive, and to me they're quite similar. So, you know, apart from price, you know, $300 and something to £1. You know, whatever. So I'm going to use the angle part of the brush here, and I'm just literally using this now just to sort of wing out the look. So I'm just sketching out my wing, so to speak. There we go. So we're just sketching out the wing. So bring that in. Come on, wing. Okay, just comparing it to the other side. You don't want to go over too much. So we're now, I'm just going to take my blending brush and just give that a little bit of a blend, like so. Go back in again. So now we're kind of sorting out that kind of like the graduation. So now I'm going to go in with Nightmare with this brush as well. So if we go in with Nightmare, oh in fact no, we're not going in with Nightmare, scratch that, scratch that. We are going to go in with, I've got the Elf eyeshadow brush, and it's a nice flat brush, and I'm going to switch up palettes now, and this is the Revolution Pro HD Amplified 35 palette. So if I just open that up for you, it actually goes lovely with my backdrop. There you go, thumbnail. You've always got to get one in, haven't you? And I'm going to go in with this nice pink colour here. The pink in the Soph palette is nice, but I wanted it to be just a little bit more flat, if you know what I mean. There's a bit of glitter in the one on the Soph palette, so I just wanted it to have a little bit of sheen as opposed to glitter. So we're now just going to pop that on, and as you can see, it just adds a lovely sheen. Add that in, so you can always go back and add more, so don't worry too much. There we go. Now I will go in with my Poundland brush, and we're just going to dab that into Nightmare on the Soph palette there. Oh, look at that side view. And I'm literally just going to again do a little bit of a wing. And this time we're going to take it up and bring it up and around, just kind of smoking out that part there. So as you can see, we've got it smoked out here. That's what I'm attempting to do on this side here. So just go in, dip in a bit more, and bring that round. I'm just going to quickly swap brushes, go in with my blending brush again, and just smoke that out. Now I just have to just do the same on the other side there, just to even it all out. And then I'm going to go back in with my Poundland brush, and we're going to come underneath the eye. I didn't dip back in, I just kept it as is. There we go. So now we're getting there. Again, if you think, oh no, I've overdone it, go back in with a bit of iced coffee just to veil and go over that a little bit. There we go, and then it just blends it out nicely. So just going to dip into that pink on the Pro palette and blend that into there. There we go. And now what we are going to do is we are going to go in with eyeliner, and the liner, the liquid liner that I'm using is Clarence. This is Clarence Instant Liner, and it's colour 01 Black. So I'm just going to pop this on the top of my eyelid. You don't have to do this bit, but I like to. It's a bit like getting a print, and then you pop the mount board around the print before you put it in the frame. It just adds that little summit. Okay then, so next I am going to go in. Oh, actually, no, I tell you what I have forgotten to do that I did on the other side. Where are you? excuse me, eyeshadow brush. Just going to go in with a bit of that pink from the Pro palette, and we are just going to dash that on the under eye. There we go, and then blend that into the black, like so. Now we're going to go with Soap and Glory Thick and Fast Super Volume Mascara. So just pop that on. No, see, I'm too keen, too keen. I'm going to take this brush here. It's a Juicy Couture brush, and on the Pro palette, I'm going to dip into this gold colour just here, just for the corner of my eye. So I'll put that into the corner of my eye, like so. Now we can do the mascara. Oh, I don't know. So literally just popping that on. Now it's up to you if you want to pop eyeliner in your waterline, and if you have a look you can see the difference. You could put a little bit of white liner in there, or you could put the black. So I'm just going to go in with the black, which I should have done before, but let's try not to get that everywhere. So I have now popped on my eyeliner, and just as a little bit of something, because you can never have too much, I've got the e.l.f. Now then, what's it say on the back here? Pink Diamonds blush, highlight, whatever you want to call it, and I'm literally just gonna come in here and just come up the top there. That should really look in the mirror, shouldn't I? Then I can actually see what I'm doing. Now I'm just going to get my blending brush and just blend, blend, blend. And that, my darlings, is my eyes. So for lips, I'm going to put on the the Revolution Sophie or Soph Cake. I'm going to put that on today. So let's get that on. And what did I forget? Setting spray. Be right back. Okay, so the setting spray I'm going to be using is the Sport Fix by Revolution. So I'm just gonna pop that on my face. And that is the final look. So I hope you enjoyed this just kind of get ready with me sort of look. I'm going to get my passport picture taken later. I probably won't be wearing this. I'll just dull it down a little bit. But I just thought I would do a little bit of a more natural look that you can then turn into something a little bit more dramatic if you wanted to. You could even go as far as to put like some glitter or the Stila eye shimmer on, or something like that. You can really jazz it up for either day or night. So it's a good one to take from the office through to the nightclub, so to speak, if you're that way inclined. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed my tutorial, or it's not really even a tutorial, just to get ready with me really. And if you did like it, click the like button, and if you are not subscribed already, why not subscribe? It's free. And firstly, thank you again for all of my new subscribers. Welcome to the Poppy K family. I am going to do a couple more videos today, so look out for those. Hopefully I've got a nice parcel coming, and soon I have got a Primark haul coming up, and also maybe a few other little hauls. You'll just have to wait and see, won't you? I'm not giving it all away. No, I am not. Anyway, have a great day. Stay safe outside, although it's a bit cooler now. But remember, drink plenty of fluids, use sunscreen, and keep creating.